Okay, good evening. Sorry, welcome to Math for Kids number 43. Today we're going to look at one problem only, because the second problem is kind of easy, and we're a little low on time tonight anyway. So, here we go. We're going to do two bits of a problem in preparation for the difficult homework problem. First question, what is the average of the first 7 positive integers? Do you remember what average means?
Yeah.
What does average mean?
It means you sum up all the numbers that you have, and then you divide by the number of numbers.
Okay. Alright, so show me. So the first 7 positive integers.
Well, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Or is it, or do we start with 0?
No, it says first 7 positive integers, so you're right.
Yes.
Okay.
And then this whole thing divided by 7.
That whole thing divided by 7. Okay, you're just barely on the camera, so keep going below that now.
I'll go down.
Okay, so.
Okay. I want to figure out what this is.
Yeah, don't stand in front of it.
So this is 3 plus 3, that's 6 plus 4, that's 10, 15, 21, and 28.
Okay.
This is divided by 7, which is 4.
Alright, 28 divided by 7 is 4. Now, let me ask you something. Do you notice anything special about the number 4?
4 times 7 is 28.
Yeah, that's true. Anything else special about the number 4?
It is even.
It is even. Anything else special about it?
It's a multiple of 1.
Okay, just keep guessing, or do you think you might want to think for a little
Maybe
bit?
think of it.
Okay, see if you notice anything special about the number 4 there.
In this, 4 is in here.
Oh, interesting. 4 is in the average. Or 4 is in the number of numbers that you were averaging. Anything else about the number 4 that's interesting? In that sum?
Well, the sum is 28.
Yeah, the sum is 28. Anything special about the number 4?
We use 7 times 4 is 28.
Okay, next problem.
Okay.
What is the average of the 7 positive integers starting with 21?
Next part of the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So our integers are 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24. Still on camera?
Yeah.
Plus 25 plus 26 plus 27. Whole thing divided by 7.
Okay. What's that going to be?
It's 40, 60, that's 80, 100, 120, and 140. That's 140 plus 3, 10, 15, 21, 28.
Okay, so it's 140 plus 28.
Divided by 7, which is 168 divided by 7. I'm going to do long division for that.
Okay, do it over there under the 2 for the second problem.
Okay, 7 goes into 16 once. That's 14, 28, 4. So 7 times 14. Well, 7 times 10 is 140, and plus 7 times 4 is 28. Yes. So that's the average. 1. Oh, is that the average? This is 14.
What's 7 times 14?
Sometimes 10. 7 goes into 16 twice. Sometimes 24, I mean.
Okay.
There.
So what's the average?
The average is 24.
Okay, so why don't you write that down?
It says
24. Okay, do you notice anything special about the number 24? You notice anything special about the number 24?
well, it's in our sequence.
It is in the sequence. Notice anything special about it? Notice anything special about the number 4 from the one above?
And the one above.
Notice it? Anything special about the number 4? 24? See anything special about it?
Not really.
Where is it in the sequence?
It's the 4th number in the sequence.
Yeah? From what side?
From this side.
Oh, yeah? What number is it from the other side?
Also the 4th. And same with here.
What does that mean?
It means it's a middle number.
Oh, interesting. It's in the middle. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay. So when we have a average with an odd number of consecutive numbers. Okay. So we have an odd number of consecutive numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. We could write it out like this. We can start with the number in the middle and call it x.
Yeah.
When we go to this side, what's the next consecutive number here?
X plus 1.
X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. And then we can go backwards this way. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. And we add these all up, what would we get? Well, how many x's do we have?
7x.
7x. And then I get minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so that's just
7x
0.
plus 0 divided by 7 is just x. You see that?
Yeah, that's actually pretty neat.
It's actually pretty neat. So when you have an odd number of consecutive numbers, the average is the one right in the middle. So if I said, find the average of 15 positive integers starting with 100,
It would just be the one in the middle.
yeah, so what would the one in the middle be, I wonder?
Okay, so it's going to be x.
So it would be, well, what number is going to be in the middle of 15 numbers? How far over do you have to go to get in the, how far did you have to go over to get in the middle of 7 numbers?
You do a 3. In the middle of 7 numbers,
Yeah.
you had to go 4.
So how many do you think you have to go over to get in the middle of
8.
15 numbers? 8. So 100, 101, 102. What's going to be the 8th number?
104, 104. The 8th number is going to be 107.
The average of the 15 positive integers starting with 100 is going to be 107 for the exact same reason we just talked about.
Awesome.
Okay, so now, tomorrow, you have a very interesting problem to do about an average of 15 numbers.
Awesome.
Alright, good job tonight, honey.